If you have somebody who you look up to, who's been there, done that, it's learn so much from you. If they're willing to share their time and their experience with you, it can be really like a godsend.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to Freedom Formula with Kavya, Vimal, and me, Nandini. Today, we're going to be talking about the power of community in personal growth. This is my tribe, and this says it all. And Vimal, why don't you start about the power of community in your personal growth?
Sure. So, like we were speaking in the last episode, right?
Yeah.
When you start this journey, right, you really don't have a map for this journey, right? So the only thing you can basically do is learn from others who are successful in this, right? What do you think?
Yeah, I think we spoke about that in the last episode also. So it's always better to have a supportive community with you, so that especially as an entrepreneur, that journey is it's not easy, right? It goes up, it goes down, and your motivation can fall.
Yes.
And you should have some support from people who can pick you up when you're down, right? And a lot of like entrepreneurial journeys will be like you'll be single sometimes, but in our business, I think I'm grateful for that we have a huge community where we get a lot of support and motivation too, especially our masterminds every week that we have, right? And we get to learn from other people's journey, and we get motivation from how they have succeeded, what they went through, and how they came out of their the hard times maybe.
Yes.
Right? Everything. I think a supportive community is what will help you grow also, is what I feel.
I agree. And the most unique thing about our business is what I feel is that people intrinsically have this generosity of service.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to share their skills.
Correct.
So that is very heartening because, yeah, your business is your own, you're your business owner, but you do have support. And that too, if you want it, it's not forced on you.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
that's right. There's no pressure.
Yeah, that's right. And the thing is, people don't, I mean, if you're not on this journey, right, you don't understand how important it is or how beneficial it is to have a mentor,
Mentor.
right?
Yeah.
So if you have somebody who you look up to, who's been there, done that, right, it's learn so much from you. And if they're willing to share their time and their experience with you, it can be really like a godsend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a blessing.
Yeah, I think we can leave it at that. Maybe like if you're looking to start a business, or if you want to be an entrepreneur, you're looking at different opportunities. Try to look for opportunities which has a very good support also, which gives you a support system along with that opportunity or the idea, right?
That would be good.
Because we can tell you with experience that you'll need a lot of support, and a lot of people start different online businesses like Amazon, drop shipping and others, right?
Yep.
So they're all alone there.
That's true.
You might get a few people who can set it up for you in the beginning, but you'll be left alone after 2 or 3 months.
That's
But especially in our business, I've seen that people are there for years. I am in the business for so many years now, and I still can look up to my mentor if I have any questions.
Nice.
So I think that support is really important to achieve your goals. So yeah, look for something which gives you that support system also along with the opportunity. Okay. Yeah, so we'll catch you again next week with another topic. Bye-bye.
Bye.